Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to withdraw money for a TikTok account. Withdrawing money for a TikTok account has been a great challenge for countries who do not do the PalmPay. This video is going to guide such people on how to withdraw money using Pioneer account. Please follow to the very end. Okay, if you have an updated TikTok account app, tap on it. If you don't have it, please try to update yours by going to your Play Store app and type in TikTok. Okay, so this is my TikTok account. Tap on it. Tap on profile. Tap on the three dot at the right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on balance. Allow it to load. Tap on the money. Tap on withdraw. Please take note, the amount you allow to withdraw daily. The minimum amount is $100 and the maximum amount is $1,000. Tap on withdraw. Okay. For us to make use of add payment method, you have to tap on manage. So let's take us to that tap on it. Tap on add payment method. Add payment method. Okay. Tap on region and country and region. I'm from Nigeria, so tap on Algeria. Tap on Pioneer account. Four digits to be sent to my phone as an SMS. I'll enter it. It's not correct. Let me resend it. So I'll get the correct one. Okay, it's correct. So tap on the Pioneer account. Tap on agree and continue. If you have interest, you can read the requirements. Okay, enter your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail account and submit. It's going to take some time to load. Okay. Now you enter your Gmail and your password so that you'll be able to link it to your Pioneer. That way you'll be able to withdraw money from your TikTok account. This is how to withdraw money from TikTok account. If this video was helpful, please do to like, subscribe, share.